Are part of aviation, part of NASA.
Yeah.
NASA is divided up into aeronautics and rockets and planetary studies, but these are rockets. And I brought rockets because there's a rich history of rockets. Started with the Chinese, they called them flaming arrows. But in America, we have Robert Goddard, the father of modern rocketry. So I brought some chemical rockets that you can launch off. And this parachute, believe it or not, the first 100 launches at NASA before they sent anybody or an animal into space was to make the parachute work.
Oh, is that right?
Probably the first 80 did not work. Wow. So these you can make at home. These are straw rockets. You can download this. You just take some scissors, 2 straws of different diameters because one fits inside. But it wasn't until like Isaac Newton talked about laws of motion and action reaction. So you guys get your straws here.
Got my straw.
And
I have this one here.
Yes, and if you notice for safety, I have earplugs in there, so that takes away any problems of you might need this.
Oh, this one too. Okay, I got you.
And we can. I'll maybe demonstrate. Amber.
Amber.
I'm ready, Rick.
So I'll let you guys give it. I'm going to be the moon, but the moon right here, and so. Here we go.
Are we aiming for you or
Amber?
Amber?
For the moon. Let's see so you can
Are we aiming for you or Amber?
I aim for Amber.
Run. A little bit up. There we go.
Hey!
So,
bullseye!
So once you do the straw rockets, you can also make, this is a stomp rocket with a water bottle. And since we won't stomp it, I guess you could just go ahead and hit this one.
Oh, the air pressure.
Here we go. Ready? You want
right at the camera.
Yeah,
right.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Oh, nice.
And so I just finished making this for some kids. This is a buoy that you put between 2 boats. But if you hook it up to a hose and such, and you make yourself a rocket. And if without rockets, we wouldn't be able to broadcast this show because the satellites were put up there in a geocentric orbit. So that means they stay in one spot as they orbit the Earth.
We need that.
Love it.
And Isaac Newton worked all that out. Which way do you want to shoot this at? Right over here?
Towards
Okay.
Amber again.
If we put this on the ground and stomp it, it would go 30 meters. But I'm going to let you two-fist it at
Just
the
two
camera.
fists?
There we go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Power behind that.
Yeah.
No cameramen were hurt in the launch.
Not yet. The show's not over, though.
So kids can learn a lot about rockets. There's thrust and there's always opposing forces. What goes up, gravity brings it down. And there's also drag. And so these rockets have fins that add stability. And you can...
that puts the drag on it, right, with the fins on there.
The fins help stabilize it. So, and there's not a lot. I mean, there's a lot to rocketry, but kids can have a lot of fun with this. These are a lot of fun. We even made a water rocket.
Yes, we did.
Which was fun. And
you weren't invited to that party.
No, I missed that one. Yeah, okay. All right.
And there's a National Rocket Association that you can learn more about, or the AMA, Academy of Model Rocketry and Airplanes has. So this is fun. We just did a whole school, kindergarten through 6th grade, launch a rocket day.
Wow, man. Wow.
Hey, just turn us. We're out of time, I think, here, but I just want to show them your code here. NASA. This guy worked with NASA for what, a year or so?
No, well, it was ARAC, Advanced Research Applications Center here in Indianapolis.
You're a smart guy.
No, I'm just, I work hard.
You work hard.
Oh, man. So we're going to show people a little bit of a glimpse. I know we're almost out of time of what we did outside.
Here we go.
Oh, okay.
So, check that out.
It was a cold day.
Yeah, it was cold. We got to sit out to the cold to get this
that's
done.
This morning.
And so that one I'm filling up with air pressure, but it has water in it. And so if you think about throwing a ping pong ball against a door, not a lot of energy. Throwing a softball, so those water molecules actually increase the mass that's going to shoot out of that rocket and make it go, well, we know where it went.
Yeah, we do.
And so there's a lot of PSI. It's a pretty cold day.
Yeah.
And rockets don't like cold days.
I know you say it's tough on rockets when it's cold.
Yeah, well, yes.
And we're getting ready to launch.
There we go. 3, 2,
bow.
There it goes.
Right on top of the building.
Right on top.
Did it go up to the roof? Oh, you did it? Okay.
Good stuff there, huh, Amber?